Anyways, Mr. Sticky Fingers, here we go. That's pretty gross, but we're gonna go ahead and go with it. Having a good time. We got an instant 360 on our butt.
Life who has doubts as to what could really have caused it.
Okay. Oh, a little bit of road surface weirdo stuffs. All right, get off the paint. Okay, decreasing radius, went a little bit wide. Ooh, hit his leg. And now we're on the ground. So decreasing radius, remember, you have to take it nice and easy. It's always easier to accelerate when your nose is pointed where the straightaway is. So take it nice and easy around these corners and then go. Okay, so make sure we plan our ride, locate this area, adjust ourselves. This is definitely going to be an orange stage situation when it comes to cornering. So just kind of be prepped and ready. It's always easier to slow down first than it is to slow down during the turn. So watch your legs, watch everything. Honda Pilot 91, let's see what happens here. Nobody's wearing full gear except for a helmet. Ooh, we got a little poop in the pantalones on that last one, you're right. All right, 45 miles an hour, we're doing the speed limit, doing pretty good. Flow of traffic, here we go. We got an intersection coming up. We gotta be in orange stage, watch out, some people are slowing down. Are you gonna be slowing down in time? Maybe not. This person switched lanes, you just moved over. Not a big deal, found an escape path. Got himself out of there. Good job, buddy. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. I got 2 360 cameras. Hey, guess why his phone is not on anymore? Uncommon thing in a common situation, we have headlights right in front of us. Did a good job. Just don't rev bomb, move over, and position for safety just in case they kept going.
Around a bike that bad?
Probably. My first serious crash, okay? We're going a little bit fast. Slow it down. We got a residential area up ahead. Ooh, decreasing radius. Ooh. You see, every tumble is an impact. And this is why you have gear. This is why you freaking have gear, guys. So his knee's gonna be impacted, his feet, his ankles, his hips, his shoulders and elbows, his head, his back. Just kind of take a break. Make sure you rescue that rider. Rescue him.
The experience was for him.
Okay, here we go. Moving through here. Ooh, swerve. Good job with the escape path. Swerved out of the way. Definite red stage maneuver. Good job. It's an Elmo helmet thing or something. Got some adrenaline going. He did a job. He didn't freeze. He didn't target fixate. He got himself out of there. Yeah. All right, daily. Oh, nighttime. Name a hazard. Name a factor in this. Whatever it is. Name a factor. I'll say it. Low visibility. It's nighttime. That's the easy one. Haha. Oh, what about that one? Road surface hazard. We have a median right there. Pay attention. I did that recently with the car. Not a good deal. Not a good deal. Here we go. You want to, one second, let's go back just a little bit. So I like that he said this right here. So bike is okay now though after I filled it up with air again and checked the bottom of the bike over after getting home from work. So you want to check it because you could have had a bent rim. Now you're starting to have air leakage and you didn't even check it for the next ride. All of a sudden it's low, you can make a turn, boom. You drop the bike because it's just kind of squished. So always check your stuff, check your forks, check everything after, even a small thing like that, especially the rim. You never know. Okay, interesting. Get some gear, buddy. Get some gear. Watch out for those birdies. Oh, hit. Hey, imagine getting hit in the head without the gear. Now imagine getting hit in the chest with a bird. You got a freaking beak in your chest. That's no buenos. So Moe's Adventures, here we go. Okay, Moe's Adventures. Oh, good job with the progressive brake pressure. I hit the plan button instead of the progressive brake pressure, but that's not a big deal. We know what's happening here.
This rider very quickly guessed what to expect from the driver in front of him, but unfortunately he didn't have the option of escaping.
Okay, what? Oh, no. See, this is when the horn is actually helpful, but I like to position myself off to the sides at lights and at stops. Yeah, and then look at your freaking... Yeah, good job. You did that. Anyways, had a line of bikes and cars behind him, but drove like he was the only car on the mountain. Sounds like motorcyclists. Makes it very impossible to pass. He doesn't want anybody to get in front of him. So the lane merges. Whoa! Lane merges up ahead. At least that's what I saw. Maybe not. Yeah, that guy's an idiot. Guy's an idiot. Always watch out for those. I always like to have them in front of me. Okay, we got some squiggles right there. 25 miles per hour. Scotty Beast Rider. Name the biggest factor here, guys. Name it now. Write it in the comments. We got brake lights. Okay, it's a green light, though. Why are we doing the brakes? Now it's a yellow. Now it's a red. What was the issue? We switched from far right to the left. I don't care. So Rembo USMC, here we go, moving through here. Great line of sight. You can see super far down. This guy does a lot of good stuff. He's a smart rider. So let's see what he does here. So we're gonna probably get into this blind spot with this Bronco. He's gonna go ahead and recognize it and probably slow it down. Let me guess. There it is. He slowed it down. Now what else are we gonna do? We have good space cushions left and right. We're in a good position off to the right. We're gonna switch lanes because this lane is moving quicker. Gotta watch out for that guy over there on the far right too, but we're anticipating this. Here it is. Was able to slow it down. He just rolled off the brakes because at highway speeds, the engine braking is going to do a pretty dang good job. Here we go. Crash. Ooh, we got to try to do something with this. Hey. Oh, so when you swerve, you have to swerve one way to get back the other way, okay? Pay attention. What kind of injuries do you think this person has? Write it in the comments. Remember, we're talking about mechanism of injury, okay? What kind of injuries do you think you might have? It's typically the arms and legs. Let's start there. Broken bones. Which arm, which leg? You know? Let's find out. Let's find out. Write it in the comments. Okay, you see how he's guarding that leg? Giving some hints here. Biker for life. Here we go. Okay, watch out. Good position now. Whoa! So he found an escape path, got himself in there. Let's go ahead and take a look at that one real quick. So remember, the lines. Nobody really likes to cross these lines, especially if, like, there's another car here. Okay, if there's a car here and there's a car here, nobody wants to cross over that line and hit the other car. So yes, it's a little scary, but remember, motorcycles are easily able to escape in a little bit of area. So if you're gonna aim for anything, aim for the lines. Try to stay on the line. Okay, so let's take a look at that again. He's gonna get over here. He's just gonna switch lanes. That person's gonna switch lanes. And this is where we start to have a little bit of a panic, but what is our escape path? Let's go ahead and put that back up on the wall or on the board right here. And we could have kept going. Okay, Daniel, here we go. What the heck is that? Or we could have just, you know, follow this line all the way through. And if you see, look at big open spot. Now, what is that called? If you could see in a direct line, line of sight. Okay, straight line in which it's unobstructed. If it's unobstructed with your vision, guess what? You could take your motorcycle through that, and it's probably going to be unobstructed until somebody wants to cross the path of travel, typically at intersections and stuff like that. But anyways, he found the spot. He saved himself. That was a great job. Red stage maneuver. Boom, get him out of there. Good job. Saved himself. That's very important. Here we go. Meh666, that's their name. Okay, can't see very well. Terrible line of sight. Now we can see around. What's going on here? Don't get hit in the rear. Who hit us? Who hit us? Another rider?
Da, ich bin